belong to you.
Do just what you want.
Hello, what's up these friends? Daisy here and welcome back to another travel vlog. Oh my gosh guys! Look at this. So we're currently here at Bantayan Island Nature Park Resort. Unsa gana yang complete gana na? Bantayan Island Nature Park and Resort. Sakto lagi guys. Kayo, di ba? So yes guys, we're here because we're going to celebrate my mom's advanced birthday. So we need to wash our hands guys. Guys, and then disinfect. And then temperature 36.7. Okay. Wala ka guys! Wala guys! 36.4. Alright guys, so we need to fill up this health declaration form. Alright these friends, so manamig disinfect sa mga kalawasan no. So karon kay padung nami sa sa swimming pool. Yeah, by the way guys, the entrance fee here is 100 pesos per person. And then na siya additional na charge for swimming pool. If you want to use the swimming pool, you need to pay another 100 pesos. And then if you also want to try their fish spa, that's another 25 pesos. So muna siya guys, na naman nila na facility diri kay ni kailangan nimo bayaran, walang free. Walang free. Introduce yourself. Oh, mana siya Trisha. Anak ni Kuan. Yang anis na Jose.
Ang guwapang barista.
Charot. Ako. So, she's my teacher guys. When I was in grade 6 siya. And then kani si Sir Rohiga yang si principal siya. Muna siya mga bangginta ng mga kan. And my papa. And kani mga anak ni siya. Si Kyle. Hi Kyle. And si Kat. Oh, diba? And si Nina. Elmi. Gulano. Kabawan ako, diba? Hello. Special brother. Hello. Oh, diba? Oh, wait. Parang na siya.
Kalamin ka sa akong pan.
So, muna siya guys. Mag-ready nami. Mag-change nami sa mga clothes kayo. Maligo mi dito. Yes. We have lechon, of course. Lechon, and what's this? Ooh. We have crabs, rice, sinuba na fish, and this one. Oh, ano guys? Dugo. Pero saan ganda mong birthday good?
Sa November 23.
November 23, advance na yung celebration guys. Ready na mo? Sige na, pag-inis na! Asa mo, Jol? Dali na mo, Jol! Ang may mo, Jol!
Kami exam guys, pero Ligo is live pero exam is live pa.
Yes.
Yeah, magtuon taron. Magtuon. Ay mali.
Muna siya guys.
Magtuon.
Pupaday ang heartthrob ng Bunakan! Pagwapo na mo, Brentoy!
Sige na, kayo balik niya siya.
Baligyan natin. And dara ka mangkod, pag-abot pa. Dali na dito. So, he's my brother. And his friend. Bagita. Wala, ka sa lobo. Sana. Cute.
Run endurance kay Ma'am Nilma.
Sana all.
Oo.
Oh, diba?
Binato din na, Des.
Natulog na siya.
Lumalab life ba ya?
Oh. No. Contestant number 1. Contestant number 2. Sana all. Are, contestant number 100. Mag picture daw sila guys. So let's go. Kuligan na to sila.
Mahay mo. Uy, ay, okay.
Ayaw kita kuya kasi may mahuyang po sa ako. Ano na?
Mga supportive kay mga anak. Oy, tanawa guys, Oo. Mga teachers sa Bunakan, mga gwapa kayo. Oo.
Guys,
Again, one. Okay.
amo ni ang musunod sa kuan.
Miss Universe!
This time
Guys, let's sing na!
it's 4 a.m. I'm not even tired. We're in your car. We can drive away. Oh yeah. We're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
Makabride ko! Oh my God!
Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio.
Hey guys! So, man akong guwigo. Ay, wala pa di guys. Pero ni andang nasa ko kay. Mga una daw me! Asan ito mga birthday girl?
Ay,
Asa ba yung cake be? Dali be. Dala ilang cake guys.
Asa to nagtipo?
Libo rin nilang duha. And that's my mom. And si Ma'am Rosella. Sila ang mga birthday girl for November. Yes, and we have a lechon! Woo!
Kami isang vlogger.
Wala. Wala man tayo kuan, kando. So may lang kando. Wala na may wala smoker dire. So muna siya guys. Kuan lang, imagination lang ni nato na nagsiga na siya. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Go ya kando! Blow, blow, blow! Yeah! Happy birthday!
Salamat po yung sa cake.
Yeah!
Wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
Attack friend! Attack! Ang panit friend! Ang panit! Ang panit!
Ha?
Ano ba? Mami sila, ari mo pinggan, no?
Mukbang ni siya! Lechon! Mukbang!
Oy, ang panit. Oy,
Ang panit is so crispy and
Yummy.
masarap kahit walang sauce. Charot! Copyright na brand.
Grabe, why ko
Mapahigat mamalik sa
Wala ko chili high! Wala ko chili high.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, ganaan na ko sa mga swimsuit. Hello
vlog.
neon.
From Swimsuit Mermaid Beach.
Ay, wow!
Oh yeah. We're almost there. I'm loving this feeling.
Alright guys, so we have some cubans here. So sa among gibayaran na 200 pesos guys. That includes 50 pesos na consumable for food and drinks. So i-claim naman. Hello, Ate Vangie! Salamat lagi mo! Hello, Karel! What are you eating?
French fries.
Wow!
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night.
Alright guys, so maraming kaon. Malik na sa swimming pool. Malik yung may balik. Let's go guys!
All my life can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever. To the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the
Uy, naman. Yes!
Oh, dala, balik. Balik. Ito. Oh!
Ay, pakit.
Alright guys friends, so manakog ligo. Tugnaw kay guys kay tanawa, nagsige gyapon siya uwan. Ganina ra gid na siya nag-uwan gyud, wa gid siya ni undang. Giganahan gyud siya na I want to fly my drone but I can't because it's raining. So maybe next time. If you want to come here kay narani siya sa sa Bantayan. It's called Bantayan Island Nature Park. So, ang entrance day niya guys is 100 pesos. And then, per person, if you want to use the swimming pool, you have to pay another 100 pesos. So, mato siya guys. Nanalaw sila mga pictures. Behind the scenes. Nahimuot sila mga pictures.
can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight.
Alright guys friends, so padung namin it's already 4:50 p.m. And nanaabta namin sa uwan. I was not able to fly my drone kay nag-uwan siya. Oh my gosh. Anyway, sumuli namin guys. Namin sa reception. Nag-enjoy mo?
Yes! Smart!
More tomorrow na sad. Charot. Ikaw, nag-enjoy ka?
Wa.
Oo na. Nasya na ba ito yun? Nauna dito sa kuwan picture. Sorry. Ikaw? Oo. Oo. Baka nabitin sa picture-picture
Siyempre.
dyan. Wow. Ikaw?
Siyempre.
Wa, pinamauli naman tayo.
Anyways guys, I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to
Bye-bye,
subscribe to
guys.
my channel if you haven't already.
Subscribe me.
Subscribe me. If you already subscribed, please hit the notification down below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes, and also please follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is @iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. Yes, guys. So, maro to siya, guys. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creation and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this, friends. Bye. Bye.